AI technology has the power to revolutionize the way we search for and manage information, and Deepseek AI is here to be your assistant in this digital age. Whether you're a professional researcher, a student, or someone simply trying to sift through mountains of data, this AI tool is designed to make your life easier. First, let's talk about what Deepseek AI actually does. In simple terms, it's an advanced search and analysis tool equipped with artificial intelligence. It doesn't just look for keywords like a traditional search engine, it understands context, finds connections, and provides detailed insights. Think of it as a supercharged search engine with a brain. So how do you get started? Step 1. Access the platform. Depending on how you're using Deepseek AI, be it as a software download or via a web platform, you'll need to sign up or log in. Create an account to customize your experience, as the system learns from your searches and tailors the results to your needs. Once inside, it's as simple as asking your first question. Let's say you're researching climate change. Instead of typing in a generic climate change facts like you would on a normal search engine, Deepseek invites you to be more specific, like, what are the long-term economic impacts of climate change on coastal regions? The AI will analyze its extensive database, pulling information from articles, reports, and other reliable sources to present you with a concise, well-organized answer. And here's where Deepseek really shines: its ability to refine your searches. With every search result, you'll find options to request more details, narrow the focus, or broaden the context. Want more depth? Click Expand to access in-depth analysis and related topics. Need a summary instead? Hit Summarize, and Deepseek will condense the most important points for you. Next comes its integration features. Deepseek AI works seamlessly with other platforms, like your email, calendar, or project management software. By syncing these tools, you can turn search insights into actionable tasks. For instance, if you're working on a report, Deepseek can automatically format and organize findings into ready-to-use outlines. Finally, don't forget about its collaborative tools. If you're part of a team, you can share searches and findings with your colleagues directly within the platform, keeping everyone aligned and saving valuable time. Please adapt this chapter as is. The more you use Deepseek AI, the smarter it gets. It tracks what you're looking for, fine-tunes its understanding of your preferences, and becomes an even more powerful ally in your workspace. So, there you have it, a quick rundown on how to use Deepseek AI. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. From simplifying research to streamlining collaboration, this AI assistant is here to transform the way you approach information. Why not give it a try? Dive in and unlock a world of possibilities with Deepseek AI today.